Actually, I am a Buddhist priest. As a priest, we are in the medical line. Because before there is no clinic, no hospital, whatever happened, all the people go to the temples and ask the priest about the treatment. Okay? So this way we are in the medical line. My grandfather, my great grandfather, they are all in the royal physicians, and my great grandfather also royal priest. So they are all specialized in spiritual healing. Because before not much medical preparations, no facility. So whatever they come to the temple. They ask, oh, I have this. What I need to do? So that means spiritual healing. But in this modern century, and you can say as we are grown in the modern way, modern science, and not much, just like this confidence in this type of thing, this doesn't work. Spiritual healing means you believe it works, you don't believe it doesn't work. I have many books, Buddhist texts. Right, almost all the Buddhist texts has some Ayurvedic factors, Vata, Pitta, Kapha like this. For your interest, that's like the basic. So this one book you might be interested. This is the basic book of Ayurvedic, just like science. This is all in the palm leaf. So this type of book still we have. How to prepare medicine, how to diagnose, how to analyze. So all this is given in that.
Ayur means a long life, and Veda means a book, a big book, a holy book. And in Ayurveda, all kinds of medicine are described in detail. All the human physiology, about the organs, about the mechanism, about the metabolism, they all described in that book. The basic principles of Ayurveda was Vata, Pitta and Kapha. According to imbalance, due to imbalance of these three things, human will suffer from some disease.
And obviously another thing about the Vedic nature is when we analyze, I have to tell the patient, please sit down comfortably. But Vedic type people, they cannot sit like this. They just go on moving their hands, mouth, legs, a different way they move. And another factor is they just go on talking, blah, 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 blah. They talk. They smile more than they need to smile. Yeah? They just always smile. So people might misuse them from different point of view. And they always suffer. And they don't have that much dominating power how Pitta type people have. But concerning the Pitta type person, means strong vein system, means strong bile system, means too much heat in the body. Obviously, heat is in a destructive. So always they have the inflammatory problems. They have very strong personality, very proportionate body figure. easily get angry, but very just like compassionate. Bajik type people very confusing nature, but Pitta type very strong gentleman. Yes, yes, no, no, quickly, and they don't smile much. They have only we can say diplomatic smile. Finished. Another factor just like we have is this kapha, means strong artery system, means strong mucous system. And the kapha type people also very just like good personality, always smiling, weight body, little bit gain weight easily, and a very compassionate. So this is the nature of kapha type people. So this is what the basic principle comes in from the Ayurvedic point of view. Means knowing the nature.
And to correct the imbalance between cough, bath, and pitta, we should have take medicine according to what kind of imbalance is there. Imbalance just by checking the pulses. Our pulse is just generated by the heartbeat. Heartbeat and pulse are the same.
From the pulse, this is also one specific in Ayurvedic science means this also gives you just like what type of disorder you have. You came here for this. I don't check pulses. Oh, please sit down, check pulse. No. We go on talking, we check the pulse. So this way we get a real pulse. But when you know the nature, there is no problem of side effect. Because my nature and your nature is quite different. So you have the same problem, I have the same problem. But because of the difference of your nature, medicine should be different. That you will not see in any medical science. For any disease, they give the same medicine. I can adjust, but you cannot adjust. So the side effect, this is what people get. But this is not the side effect of the medicine. This means they are not analyzing the way your nature. Fever, hundreds of medicine, but which one to prescribe you? All the allopathic medicine is always in temporary factor. Maybe 1 year, 2 year, one medicine, then they say, oh, this is not good. Some other medicine come. Oh, that is not good. Some other medicine come. But Ayurvedic medicine, since thousands of years, same. Milk is milk always, and any plant is the same what that time and now is the same. Modern science we need for general knowledge. But practical knowledge, how I am doing here, I am talking maybe whole, I am talking maybe in a whole style. But when you go deep in the Ayurvedic science, this modern concept do not apply in Ayurveda. Not at all. This is the organic or natural way. So the difference of Ayurvedic science, I told you, maybe I am talking in a whole style, but the reality is always like this in the Ayurvedic science.